My name's Ben, and today we've got another fabulous Land Rover Discovery to show you around. This is a 2021 R-Dynamic HSE with the D300 engine, so the 3-litre diesel, the only engine to have in a Discovery. And this particular car is really, really nice because it's Portofino Blue, a really deep, dark blue that you can't order anymore, with the two-tone oyster and black leather interior, so a really nice combination. A full service history from new, and some lovely options over and above a standard R-Dynamic HSE. So we'll start at the front, walk around it and point out as much as we can for you. So the first one, which goes really nicely with that Portofino Blue, is we've got a full black exterior pack. So all of the lettering, the front grille sections, the lower front bumper sections, all finished in gloss black. We've got a forward-facing camera in the middle of the front bumper there, and we've got LED matrix headlights in this car, so they will block out individual cars coming towards you. And obviously, being an R-Dynamic, you get these extra slots in the front bumper here, much more sporty looking, and some exhaust pipes around the back. We've got 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Again, a really nice wheel, and the black fits in with the black pack again on the arches there and around this little section on the front wings. Contrast red painted Brembo brake calipers. Fixed side steps, black door mirrors, and the camera there for the 360 cameras. And then if you blind spot monitoring in the top left of the door mirrors as well, so that will illuminate orange. The slightly fainter bit there will illuminate orange if there's somebody in your blind spot. And then have a look at the inside, the beautiful two-tone oyster white and black leather interior. And again, inside the car, there's a lot of options over and above a standard R-Dynamic HSE, mainly the opening glass panoramic roof, which you're looking at up there. Normally fixed in a Discovery, this particular one with an opening glass roof, so a really nice option. Black roof rails, full length as well, go the whole way down the side of the car. Keyless entry and exit. Climate control in the rear as well, and lots of USB ports down the bottom, tons of space, and USB ports in the backs of the seats here, which is for sort of tablet preparation, but you can also obviously charge a phone and whatnot from the backs of the seats. Really clever. Obviously privacy glass to the rear three quarters. Again, dark grey lettering across the back of the car here, and then if I can find the button for the boot, somewhere under here, there you go. Power tailgate, which will open up for you. And then you've got this bench at the back here as well, which has a separate button, which you just press and that electronically comes down. You can sit on that, and you've also got lights in the top of the boot here, which are a bit like reading lights. So if you wanted to sit in the back of the car, you can do so. And then obviously being a Discovery, it's a 7-seater. So the rear row seats are electrically operated through a control panel on the left-hand side there. And this car's also fitted with an electric deployable tow bar. So loads and loads of options, loads of space as well. Then you can fold that back up and just press the button up there to shut the boot down. Reverse camera on the boot lid there itself. And then coming around the driver's side, we'll jump inside the car and talk through some of the interior options. So I'll just fire it into life. And then starting on the driver's door card here, as you'll see, we've got two tones, so oyster across the top, black across your armrests, and then the Meridian surround sound system, so an upgraded sound system in this car with lots of tweeters around, memory settings for the driver and passenger seat on the other side as well, power folding heated door mirrors, and just lots and lots of features. All your electric seat adjustment down here with 4-way lumbar support and bolster adjustment as well. An electric steering column which saves on your memory settings, so this will come forwards, backwards, up and down. And then again, another lovely option over and above a standard R-Dynamic HSE. We've got a heated steering wheel, so the button in the bottom right there turns on your heated steering wheel. And then again, another option, believe it or not, a virtual cockpit, not standard in one of these cars, but this car has the full virtual display in front of me, which is very configurable. You can put it into a full screen map or two traditional dials like it is at the moment, or even a single dial in the center, so very, very customizable. I'll show you the full screen map here so you can see what that looks like, because a lot of people's favorites have that there, and it will pick up your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on there as well, so it's really nice touch. Adaptive cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then some multimedia controls on the left hand side. And then coming across to the center, we've got the massive Pivi display here, so you've got Land Rover's own sat-nav system, which you can choose up here. So if we go into Pivi Pro and touch on that, we've got Land Rover's own navigation on there, very responsive as you can see, and a very useful system with live traffic as well. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll see our reverse camera comes up along with our bird's eye view on the left hand side. You can tap on any of these little cameras to move yourself around the car, or just press the 3D button here and you can literally just drag yourself around. It's very, very clever how it works. If I come back to here, You'll see we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay over there, along with that tow bar that we discussed earlier. If I come into seats, heated and ventilated seats in the front and heated seats in the rear as well, which is very nice. You can turn those on there and you'll see heated seats in the back. You can control from the front or the back. Coming down the centre, some more climate control buttons, and then our cup holders, wireless phone charging pad under there as well. Actually important to note, you can just pop your phone under there. Cup holders which do slide out the way to give an even bigger cubby hole going down the centre console there. And then underneath the armrest, you've got a massive cubby hole with a USB-C and a traditional USB port as well. And then I'll just jump outside and summarise what a lovely car this is. So, as I mentioned at the beginning, Portofino Blue, a very rare colour and goes really nicely with that two-tone interior and the exterior black pack. One of the best looking Discoveries on the market in our opinion, in fabulous condition and with lots of options over and above a standard R-Dynamic HSE. My name's Ben, I hope the video's helped. Thank you very much for watching.